Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Crypto India. My name is Shiv. This is the channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, altcoin, ICOs, blockchain, everything. So thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of these updates. So let's start with the coin market cap. As every day this morning, the Bitcoin prices has been is grown by 2.90%. So trading about 4855. Ethereum being traded at about 377%, down by 2.74%. Bitcoin Cash at $624. Ripple at 24 cents. Litecoin at about $85. So if you notice, Litecoin has been growing rapidly over the last 1 month. And from yesterday, it has grown about 16.36%. So I'm going to be doing a special video today on Litecoin as to what is Litecoin, how do you buy Litecoin in India. So stay tuned for that in case if you haven't got any Litecoin or you're looking forward to understand Litecoin in depth and you want to make some purchase on that. Dashcoin is about 384, which is up by 1%, and then I have Neo at $30. I really believe that Neo would have a substantial growth in this year. I think it should easily touch about 100 or 200 US dollar, because Neo is just like Ethereum, built for smart contracts. It is in fact called Ethereum of China. So that's another possibility. So that's for the price chart. Now let's come back to the Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin, some of you have been into this space for some time. If you remember, in the month of March, Bitcoin was presented by Winklevoss brother from the Facebook fame, who claimed that Facebook was first their idea and then it was stolen by Mark. So Winklevoss brother, the big believer of Bitcoin, they had applied for a Bitcoin as an exchange traded fund back in the March, which was rejected by SEC, Security and Exchange Commission. It seems that they are applying it again, and seems that there are some positive moves by the government this time. So they may get an approval this time. I'll read out the news for you. Yeah. So it says that now you have the CBOE, Chicago Board Options Exchange, announcing they are going to list Bitcoin futures, and if the CTFC approves it, which is CTFC is Commodity Futures Trading Commission, if they approves it, okay, let me just read out if they approves it, it is regulated and it will help bring more liquidity into the market. That's for the Bitcoin being traded as ETF. Honestly, guys, I don't really think that something like an ETF is required for Bitcoin now, because Bitcoin has already come a long way, right from 2009 being traded in $1. Today it's trading about 5,000 US dollar, close to 5,000 US dollar. And I don't think there is anything like ETF required, but of course it is good if they do get the approval as exchange traded fund on stock exchange. This is good, but there will be a lot of regulations also coming in place. And this is just my opinion that you don't need an instrument like ETF to prove the worth of Bitcoin or something like that. It's a new technology. It's born in the free market, and I think it's better if it is not put under any regulations like ETF or any commodity funds like ETF and all that. So that's just my opinion, right? Forbes has in other news, the Forbes magazine has reported that on some exchanges yesterday, Bitcoin was traded at about 5,000 US dollar also for the first time in some countries. So maybe we are heading to the next milestone of the 5,000 price of Bitcoin, which is good news. I mean, obviously I get to hear a lot these days. A lot of people actually do believe that Bitcoin is the next gold, because the characteristics of Bitcoin that it has, it needs to be mined, it is rare, it is only 21 million, and like looking at the price, I mean, if you talk about 5,000 rupee, $5,000, sorry, this year, then you're talking about 421% growth this year alone. So it's been rapidly been growing, and I think there's a lot of adoption that will happen now, probably this year and by the next year. So amazing time, isn't it? So yeah, that's it for now for this news. Stay updated for my next video on Litecoin, how to buy Litecoin and what is Litecoin. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who are involved into cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin space, and they would like to learn more and stay updated. So that's it for now. Signing off for now. Thank you so much and have a nice day.